Hey everybody, welcome to a brand new edition of Will It Jerky with pre-made hamburger patties. So I figured you grind up hamburger and you mix in the ingredients and you can come out with some pretty delicious beef jerky. I mean, that's what all formed jerky is, right? Here's the seasonings. Put in some cure. Again, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cure per pound. Got some Worcestershire sauce, mix in some water, enough to be able to submerge your patties. If this hack works, I mean, this is going to be the way to go. I mean, I can't believe no one thought of this before. Because you marinate the jerky, right? So why can't you marinate beef patties? They already come. Look at that. It's the perfect jerky, right? Nice thickness. These are 3rd pound patties. If you went 4th pound, I suppose you'd do even better. I mean, I'm kind of excited about this. Why have I not ever thought about this before? Could revolutionize jerky making. So let it soak overnight. I couldn't wait that long. I waited about 3 hours. It's hard to hold a camera and hold these things without making them fall apart. So I get kind of clunky here. A few of them come out in chunks. But anyway, we're doing this for the proof of concept. The recipe isn't quite what I wanted. I just wanted to see if this would work. And you'll see at the end if it does or doesn't. It's falling apart, as you can see. They went in frozen. Probably not the best quality patty I could have used, but they are good. It's a Black Angus patty. I mean, I like them on the grill from frozen, so you gotta put some few chunks in there, a little bit still stuck together there. So I'm really, again, I thought about this. I'm like, I have to make a video on whether I can make beef jerky out of hamburger patties. This has to work, because if it does, oh my goodness, this is the new way I'm doing it. It takes out so much grinding it and seasoning it and mixing it up and letting it sit. I mean, this is gonna be the business. I am gonna work on a recipe and this is going to work. I'm going to try dry rub. I'm going to try marinating. I can try all different kinds of things if this actually flies. It's ridiculous. I've never seen anybody try this before, and I don't know why. Because it's genius, you have to admit. Like, subscribe. Oh my goodness. You're going to learn all kinds of crazy stuff. So I do, 7 hours? That's usually enough for jerky at 165. So leave that overnight. I'm going to come back to it in the morning. And this is what I came out with. Look at this. Cracks apart. Nice and dry. Exactly what you want. And here we go. I will do better with the seasonings next time. I mean, this is just proof of concept. It's pretty good.
Not that bad.
So make sure to, again, like, subscribe. I'm going to be trying more crazy stuff.
Good.